and Posy, the friendly snail. It was a lovely day. Pip was doing some gardening. Posy was having fun. Bang, bang went her drum. La la, she sang. Boing, boing, she bounced. Could you be a little bit quieter, please, Posy? Said Pip. Just then, Pip found a snail. It was very friendly. Whee! Said Posy. Shh, Posy, said Pip. Pip gave the snail some lettuce to eat. The snail looked happy. Posy appeared. Brum, 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 she shouted. The snail disappeared inside its shell. Posy, said Pip, you scared my snail. Your games are too noisy. Go away. Posy felt sad. She hadn't meant to scare the snail. Poor Posy. Pip raked the earth. He planted some seeds. And he sprinkled the seeds with his watering can. Pip didn't notice a bird looking at the snail. The bird got closer and closer and closer. Oh dear! Wah! Roared a voice. Pip jumped. Go away, you big greedy bird! Shouted the voice again. The bird flew into the sky and the snail dropped to the ground. Posy came out from behind the bush. Oh, Posy, said Pip. It was you! Your loud voice saved the snail. Can we be friends again? Yes, of course we can, said Posy. After that, they played a very noisy game. Woohoo! Shouted Posy. Yee-haw! Shouted Pip. And then they had a nice quiet time in the garden. Hooray! Please subscribe for more exciting children's stories read aloud.